Using the DBplus Estimator, you can get an estimate of your retirement income based on your estimates for the CAP plan pension, CPP pension, and the OAS benefit. Let's take a look at what your total income in retirement could be. Click the tab on the right side of the graph to estimate your total retirement income. Here, you can see your estimated CAP pension from the previous estimate. To calculate your pension, we make calculation assumptions about factors that impact your pension, like retirement age and earnings increases. You can customize your estimate by clicking the various drop-down arrows. Depending on the tab you're in, you will see different options for customizing your estimate. In the Total Retirement Income tab, you have the option to get a more complete picture of what your income in retirement will look like by adding CPP and OAS. To input the CPP and OAS, look for the drop-down on the left side of the page titled Estimate Your Government Pensions. Starting with CPP, input the percent of the maximum CPP pension you expect to receive. Then, choose the age that you would like to start collecting CPP. Next, you can choose the percent of the maximum OAS benefit you expect to receive. Then, select the age that you would like to start OAS. Adjust these numbers anytime to see how these factors will impact your total retirement income. Then, click Calculate to see the results. Use the toggle below the graph to see the difference between your annual and monthly pension. Roll over the I at any time for information on what the assumptions mean and how adjusting them will change the estimate. If you need help at any time or have questions about the estimator, just click Help in the top right corner of the page. Try the estimator as many times as you'd like to test out different scenarios by clicking Reset. Your online estimate can help you plan your retirement lifestyle and finances. You can also print your results for your reference. Now you're ready to estimate your total retirement income with the DBplus Estimator.